Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to turn off Redmi mobile lock screen notification. Friends, you don't want to use Redmi mobile lock screen notification. So friends, now let's see how to turn off lock screen notification one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, you want to on and you want to off Redmi mobile lock screen notification. So first of all friends, we will turn on phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Redmi mobile. So friends, on your Redmi mobile, scroll down here and you want to use your notification controls, enter settings, so you can use it. App notification setting you want to use, so you can on and you can off your app notification. Friends, you can see Facebook notification you want to use, so you can turn on Facebook notification and you can off your Facebook application notification, gallery, Gmail app, Google app notification you don't want to, so you can turn off and you can turn on your app notification. Friends, you can see Instagram notification you want to on and you want to off, so you can on and you can off. So then how to use lock screen notification. So friends, first of all tap here lock screen notification setting, and friends you can see format option. If you tap here friends, you can see there are two options. Show notification content, you want to show your lock screen notification, you can show your lock screen notification. And if you tap here don't show your lock screen notification, your lock screen notification will remove and you cannot use your lock screen notification. So friends, you want to on, you want to show any app notification on your lock screen, so you can on and you can use your lock screen notification. Okay, and you don't want to use, so friends again open your phone notification setting, lock screen notification. Friends, you can see all app lock screen notification is on. Friends, you can see Angry Bird game. So friends, you can see your lock screen notification is on. If you tap here don't show lock screen notification, friends, you can see all app notification will off and you cannot use lock screen notification is format you want to use. So first of all tap here, then you can on your lock screen notification. So like that friends, you can use lock screen notification setting in Redmi mobile. And if you tap here app notification, so friends you want to off any application notification, so you can off. Example friends, you don't want to use YouTube notification, friends you can see YouTube notification is off, you cannot use. You want to on, so you can on and you can use your YouTube app notification. So like that friends, you can see notification shade, MIUI, and notification style you want to set Android, so you can set and you can change. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.